Hey guys, I wanted to put together a quick video regarding the ALEKS Open platform and kind of show you how you can put kids maybe into a tutorial class. If a student is struggling, you could put them into a lower academic class or into a higher academic class if the kids are starting to finish their work quicker, or you think they may finish the course ahead of schedule. So if you click on ALEKS, it's going to open your open platform. This is where you see all of your classes. And things are kind of slow today, so we may have to wait just for a second. And now it says create classes right here. So when I click that, I can create classes using any of these existing courses within ALEKS. So if you notice, there's some RTI, there's some Algebra 1. Just look through here and figure out what it is that you're needing for your students. And you can quickly create the class by clicking on it. Name it. Once you click complete, it's going to allow you to load students that are already in your other classes. Very simple to do. If you have any other questions, please reach out. I'm more than happy to help you with this. I hope this answers any questions about how to use Open Platform within other academic courses. Thanks, guys.